a huge shout out to Lisa Fossett, who represents Newburg so well and has done so for over 2 decades.
You know, it's clear you have passion for what you do. And so I think it's the most important thing in teaching. You know, we can't train that. We can't PD that. We can't teach that. Someone who shows up every day and passionate for kids, that's you.
The love and care and compassion that she shows in our school community cannot be compared. Congratulations, Lisa.
Congratulations on your ExCEL Award. We are so happy to have teachers like you in our Louisville community.
It is my privilege on behalf of everyone at LGE and KU to present to you today an award of $1,000 that we know will be so well used with your students and there at Newburg Middle School for the orchestra program.
I like to believe that I help students find their best selves. Playing in the orchestra teaches students to persevere, to set goals, to break something into smaller parts to make it more manageable. It teaches students about teamwork. It teaches students about mindfulness and how to concentrate. Orchestra students learn logic, reasoning, and problem solving. And it gives students a sense of self and allows them to feel the pride of a performance well executed. Being an orchestra student in JCPS changed my life and allowed me to help impact the lives of others. It has been an honor to witness the many moments in the lives of the students and families here at the Newburg community. We have shared joy and we have shared tears. I have celebrated and cheered when I receive an email with an update about a former student's college graduation, their military awards, their career plans, their wedding plans, or the birth of their child. I've also unfortunately attended funerals and wept for the trauma that young people should never have to know or see. It has been a life-changing journey for me, and I am not the person I was before I became a teacher. I'm a better version of myself.